Iri ta njira ya naihenya ya kuhurana ngigi ikoretwo ikiagagia andu kuma kaunti 8, thirikari ikoretwo ikihuthira ndege kuhuhira ngigi ici, kuria riu muingi wambiririe kuga imwe cia ndawa iria irahuthirwo itiraruta wira na njira iria ciagiriire, amu ngigi ici itirakua kana guthira ona thutha wa kuhuhirwo. Minista wa urimi Peter Munya ni areganite na miario ino, akiuga marahuthira ndawa itiganite, kuria imwe iraruta wira na njira ya naihenya na imwe iroya kahinda karaya ingikambiriria kuruta wira, kuria imwe iroya kahinda gatanyihire mathaa 48 mbere ya ciambiririe kuraga ngigi ici.
The chemicals are different types. Some of them are instant acting, others are long acting, take 48 hours. So when you spray, you think they'll be dead. No, because it acts on the need for some time. So like the pictures you got from Wajir of dead locusts, those that had been sprayed a few days earlier.
Munya augite thirikari niihariiriirie na njira iria ciagiriire niguo kuhurana ngigi ici icigo-ini ciothe iria igitharikira, kuria riu thirikari igurite kemiko iria iraruta wira na ihenya, amu igukorwo ikiuraga ngigi ici oria riria ciahuhirwo, na oho ni mambiriirie mutaratara wa guthomithia andu kuma kaunti 11 njira cia kuhurana ngigi ici.
We have now enough supplies of the quick acting chemicals, and this morning we did sprayed on the swamps that are here in Isiolo, and there is impact because these chemicals are acting very fast.
Kuringana na murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa kuhurana ngigi ici Steven Njoka, ndawa iria irahuthirwo itingirehe na o wothe kuri muingi mahiu ona kana mimera, amu no cia kuraga ngigi, na oho akoria muingi ugeria gwithema na icigo iria ihuhiritwo kwa ihinda ria mathaa 3.
Pesticides we are using are environmentally safe. They are not a danger to the non-target, and they are safe even to the human beings. But like with any other pesticide, we ask people to stay away from a sprayed area for at least 3 hours. The pesticide is not meant for the eggs. The pesticide is meant for the adult locusts. For the eggs, they will just hatch, produce the nymphs, and then we target the hoppers, the ones which move around before they fly.
Munya augite miango ya kuhuhira ngigi ici makihuthira ndege iguthi na mbere nginyagia rira igathira, gutakumakania mihango ino ikuoya kahinda kaigana atia. Ngiribotera Kiraniro TV, njitao Kate Muthoni.